$10 billion. Some larger than the annual budget of many sovereign nations and far more expensive than the construction of the International Space Station itself. This is not just a budget for a new nuclear weapon, it is the staggering price the United States is paying for ultimate global awareness. Welcome to the dawn of a secret AI-driven surveillance network, a digital invisible eye where every single movement on this planet is being digitized and tracked. The Pentagon has initiated a project that changes the very rules of the game, turning the entire world into a giant transparent fishbowl for their algorithms. Behind these walls, a plan is unfolding that seeks to eliminate the concept of the unknown, using artificial intelligence to process the noise of the world. For $10 billion, they aren't just buying hardware, they are purchasing the power to see through walls, across oceans, and into the future of warfare. Every smartphone, every ship, every car on a highway is now a data point in a massive, interconnected matrix managed by a silent military intelligence. The scale is unprecedented. It is the most ambitious surveillance endeavor in human history, designed to give the Pentagon a godlike perspective over all human activity. What was once the stuff of science fiction is now an operational reality. The world is being mapped, analyzed, and predicted in real time by machines. This $10 billion investment is the foundation of a new era. An era where privacy is a relic and data is the ultimate weapon of war. As we dive deeper into this secret plan, we discover that the sensors are everywhere, from the deepest ocean trenches to the highest reaches of orbit. Nothing is too small to be ignored, and nothing is too large to be escaped. The Pentagon's invisible web is already tightening around the globe. To understand where this is going, we must first look back at the spark that started this fire, a controversial initiative known as Project Maven. In the past, military surveillance relied on human eyes. Thousands of hours of video footage were watched by tired analysts who often missed the crucial details. But in 2017, everything changed. Project Maven introduced artificial intelligence to the battlefield, automating the process of identifying targets with superhuman precision and speed. The AI doesn't get tired, it doesn't blink, it can scan through 1 million hours of video in a fraction of the time a human would take. What started as a tool for drones has evolved into a global brain. Project Maven was just the beta test for the $10 billion monster we see today. The AI now interprets reality itself. It identifies a truck, a person, or a weapon and connects those dots to predict a broader pattern of movement. This is the rise of military superintelligence. It's no longer about just seeing the enemy, it's about understanding their intent before they even act. The Pentagon is obsessed with analyzing billions of petabytes of data every second because in modern warfare, speed is the only thing that matters. If the AI can identify a threat 5 minutes faster than a human, it can prevent a catastrophe or ensure a successful strike with pinpoint accuracy. This isn't just an assistant, the AI is becoming the primary brain of the United States military, processing more information than any human could comprehend. By removing human limitations, the Pentagon has unlocked a level of efficiency that was previously impossible. The machine sees everything, everywhere, all at once. Information flows from the furthest corners of the globe back to centralized command centers in milliseconds, fueled by this $10 billion infrastructure. This massive facility in Virginia houses the silicon mines that digest the world's secrets, working 24/7 to maintain the American strategic advantage. Every byte of data collected by drones, satellites, and spies ends up here, being stripped of its mystery by the world's most powerful military AI. In this new landscape, seconds are an eternity. The machine's ability to process petabytes per second is what keeps the Pentagon one step ahead. It is a relentless, never-ending cycle of observation and analysis. The global surveillance system never sleeps and it never forgets a single detail. But to fuel this brain, the Pentagon needs a body, a physical infrastructure that spans the entire planet, from the seabed to the stars. Beneath the calm surface of our oceans lies the true backbone of the digital age. Thousands of miles of undersea cables carrying the world's data. These cables are the lifelines of the global economy, but for the Pentagon, they are the most sensitive nerves in their global surveillance body. In this $10 billion plan, every major node and junction of this undersea network is being integrated into a massive listening post for AI. Specialized submarines can now approach these cables in total silence, deploying robotic arms to listen to the pulse of the internet without a trace. Not a single signal can pass through these economic arteries without being recorded and scrutinized by the watchful eyes of the military's algorithms. This gives the US an unprecedented ability to monitor communications, financial transactions, and state secrets from across the globe in real time. If the undersea cables are the nerves, then the satellites above are the eyes, and the Pentagon is launching thousands of them. SpaceX's Starshield program is a critical component of this plan, creating a dense mesh of satellites that covers every inch of the planet. This constellation is an invisible shield and a pervasive observer, ensuring that no activity on Earth, no matter how remote, goes unnoticed by Washington. The resolution is terrifying. From hundreds of miles up, the AI can distinguish between different models of tanks or even identify specific individuals in a crowd. This isn't just surveillance, it's total environmental awareness. The Pentagon is effectively building a digital twin of the entire planet that updates every second. Data is beamed down to ships, planes, and soldiers instantly, providing them with an all-seeing perspective that was previously the stuff of legend. From the abyss to the heavens, the network is complete. The physical infrastructure of the $10 billion plan is now a living, breathing reality. This invisible neural network is the foundation of American power in the 21st century, a system that transforms information into absolute dominance. Every component, every sensor, and every line of code has been meticulously designed to ensure that the US military is never caught off guard. The world has become a giant data collection device. Every action we take leaves a digital footprint that is scooped up by this massive net. In this $10 billion kick-up, forgetting is no longer possible. Everything is recorded, indexed, and made available for the algorithms to analyze forever. By monitoring the economic arteries of the world, the Pentagon can predict market shifts or identify the funding of hostile entities before they strike. This is the ultimate control interface. But the most powerful part of the system isn't just seeing what's happening now, it's seeing what happens next. The true genius and the true terror of this $10 billion project lies in its predictive algorithms. The ability to see the future of conflict. The AI doesn't just watch, it simulates. It runs millions of what-if scenarios every second to determine the most likely outcome of any event. It identifies patterns in troop movements, social media sentiment, and weather conditions to predict where the next flashpoint will occur before it even starts. This predictive pathing turns the world into a transparent glass fishbowl. The algorithm knows your destination before you've even finished your first step. To the Pentagon, the world is no longer a mystery. It is a set of variables to be calculated, a puzzle that the AI has already solved. Every structure, every road, and every person is reduced to a data point. The complexity of human life is simplified into a language the machine understands. The AI analyzes human behavior on a massive scale. It can detect the subtle signs of a coming coup, a terrorist plot, or a shift in public opinion. This is the precog era of warfare. If the Pentagon can know an enemy's intent before they act, the battle is over before it even begins. The adversary is always playing catch-up. They are moving against a ghost that has already anticipated their every move and prepared a counter-strike. This provides a tactical advantage that is almost impossible to overcome. It is the ultimate deterrent, a way to freeze an opponent in their tracks. The $10 billion has bought the United States the ability to see through time, to perceive the future as clearly as we perceive the present. Inside the pupil of this machine, the entire world is reflected. It is a tireless observer that never blinks, never sleeps, and never misses a detail. The reflection of the world in the machine's eye is a world without secrets. A world where every shadow is illuminated by the cold light of logic. These patterns of life are the new intelligence goldmine. By understanding the rhythm of a city, the AI can detect the slightest deviation from the norm. The speed of thought has been replaced by the speed of light. The AI processes information faster than a human can even begin to perceive it. In this way, the battlefield is won before a single shot is fired. Conflict is resolved in the digital realm by superior predictive power. The transparency of our world is now total. Every layer of our society is being monitored and modeled by the Pentagon's multi-layered AI system. There is truly no place left to hide. The darkness is no longer a shield, and the walls are no longer an obstacle for the machine's sensors. From this God's eye view, the Pentagon can see the pulse of the planet. They can see the world breathing, moving, and thinking in real time. Human behavior is the final frontier for AI. By mastering this, the Pentagon believes it can manage global stability with an iron, algorithmic fist. The line between prediction and reality is blurring. The simulation is becoming so accurate that it is almost indistinguishable from the actual world we live in. This is the price of security in the 21st century. But as the US builds its fortress, the rest of the world is not standing idly by. This is not a one-sided game. As the US invests its $10 billion, competitors like China and Russia are racing to build their own digital walls. The AI arms race has moved from the physical battlefield to the servers of Moscow and the high-tech corridors of Shenzhen, creating a global tension. We are witnessing a silent digital conflict, a battle of algorithms where the winner is the one who can process the most data the fastest. No leader is exempt, and no nation is safe from this digital gaze. Geopolitics is being rewritten by the power of artificial intelligence and mass surveillance. But this technology raises deep and troubling questions about ethics and human rights. Who watches the watchers in this new age of absolute transparency? Resistance is growing. Around the world, people are beginning to realize the extent of the surveillance net and are fighting back to reclaim their privacy. Can we ever truly be free when every action is recorded? The very concept of the private individual is under threat by this $10 billion system. A digital iron curtain is falling across the internet. Nations are carving out their own spheres of influence, protected by their own custom-built AI guardians. The headlines only scratch the surface. Behind the news, a deeper struggle is taking place for the soul of the digital age and our future freedom. This is an automated grand strategy. The AI isn't just a tool, it's a player on the global stage, making moves that humans can barely understand. The machine's logic is cold and calculated. It doesn't care about ideology or morality, only about efficiency and the achievement of its assigned strategic goals. This is the shadow arms race, the production of the hardware that will carry the brain into every corner of the planet, from jungles to cities. Are we building a protector, or are we creating a monster that we can no longer control? The risk of an AI-driven global catastrophe is real. The balance between security and freedom is being permanently shifted. The Pentagon's plan has consequences that will echo for generations to come. Secret bases in the most remote corners of the Earth are already operational, serving as the hidden anchors for this global surveillance network. The network is camouflaged into the environment. It is everywhere, yet it is nowhere to be seen, a true invisible eye that covers the globe. The data centers of the future are fortresses, guarded by the very technology they house, ensuring that the world's secrets remain in the right hands. The cost of total knowledge is the loss of total mystery. In a world where everything is known, what is left for the human spirit to discover? Global tensions are being amplified by this constant surveillance. The digital friction between powers could easily spark a real-world conflict at any moment. Sovereignty is no longer about borders, it's about data. The nation that controls the information controls the world regardless of its physical size. Even our most secure codes are vulnerable. The $10 billion investment includes the development of tools that can crack any secret and bypass any wall. This is the reality of modern war. It's not about bombs and bullets, it's about who can turn off the lights and silence the communication of the enemy. Peace is now a fragile state maintained by a balance of data. As long as the AI knows everything, it can keep the world in a state of uneasy calm. The dawn of this new era is here. The invisible watcher is now part of the landscape, as constant as the sun and as pervasive as the air. $10 billion, a global brain, a planet-wide network of sensors. The Pentagon's plan is no longer a theory, it is a fully functioning reality. The heart of the system is beating. From this central hub, the lifeblood of global information is being processed, analyzed, and used to maintain American power. In the depths of the ocean, the signals are flowing. Every conversation, every transaction, every secret is being caught in the Pentagon's vast digital net. In the silence of orbit, the eyes are watching. There is no corner of the planet that is out of reach for the Pentagon's all-seeing satellite constellation. The next generation will grow up in a world where the sky is not just a wonder, but a constant observer. A world where privacy is a myth. The stars themselves are being replaced by man-made eyes. Our very view of the universe is being filtered through the lens of military technology and control. The sky is no longer empty. It is a busy highway of information, a layer of our reality that is constantly monitoring and recording everything we do. We are entering a world without shadows. A world where the light of technology illuminates every corner of our lives, for better or for worse. The question is no longer whether you are being watched, but what you will do with that knowledge. How will we live in a transparent world? The power dynamic of our world has been fundamentally altered. We are all participants in a global experiment that none of us signed up for. The $10 billion is just the beginning. The plan is complete and the machine has already started its work. The future is already here. The living network is all around us. It is the air we breathe, the light we see, and the data that defines our very existence in this era. What we have seen is only the tip of the iceberg. The true scale of the Pentagon's surveillance capabilities remains hidden in the deep classified shadows. The era of secrets is over. The history of the 21st century is being written in code, and the Pentagon is the one who holds the pen. What will we do when our privacy is gone? This is the most important question of our time, and the answer will define our future as humans. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you feel safer in this new world, or are you concerned about the loss of freedom? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay informed about the latest developments in military technology and the future of our global society. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the shadows of the Pentagon's secret plan. Knowledge is power, and staying informed is our best defense. Until next time, stay curious, stay vigilant, and remember, in the digital age, someone is always watching. Goodbye.